Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Then again 24 multiply 8 is equal to divide 192. Now 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. 192 divide 3 is equal to 64. So the answer is 1 upon 64. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division, and here is multiplication. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Divide 24 multiply 8. Now here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 3 divided 24 can be written as 3 upon 24 multiply 8. Okay, so now 3 multiply 8 is equal to 24 divide 24. So now 24 divided 24 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.